smells wonderful.
Grandma, I'm home!
Welcome back, dear. You look soaked.
Here, take my umbrella.
Thank you. Come get dry. Stir it gently, dear.
Like this, Grandma?
Yes, perfect.
It smells so
It
good!
will be delicious. There, just a pinch more. Perfect. Now to let it simmer. These greens will make it perfect.
It smells so good already. Can I taste it?
Of course, dear.
Grandma, is this clean enough?
Yes, dear, just rinse it well.
Okay.
You're doing so well.
Grandma, this tea is so warm.
It warms you right up, doesn't it?
It's perfect.
I'm glad, dear. Perfect. Just a little more. This soup is nice and hot.
It's delicious, Grandma.
I'm glad, dear.
It's so cozy in here. Grandma, this soup is so warm.
It is a perfect day for it.
I love rainy days here.
Me too, dear.
This is so nice.
It is, dear. The rain is soothing.
I'm glad we're together. This is so cozy.
It is, my dear. These are the best times.
I love rainy days.